Are UK care visas really banned? Did they just delete 180 jobs? Is your dream of working in the UK suddenly in danger? Biggest UK immigration shakeup in years. It's now law, and it starts the 22nd of July, 2025. Let's break it all down. Breaking news. No more proposals. On the 1st of July, the UK Home Secretary dropped a bombshell. The white paper long talked about is no longer just a proposal, it's now the law. From the 22nd of July, new immigration rules hit skilled workers, care workers, and job seekers hard. What's changing? Quick summary. There are 5 major changes you must know. 1. Skilled worker salaries are going up. 2. Care visa route is shut down. 3. 180 jobs are no longer eligible. 4. A new shortage list is being created. 5. And if you're on that list, strict rules apply. Let's break each down. Change 1. Salary threshold increased. If you're applying for a skilled worker visa, your salary must now be higher than ever before. For most roles, the minimum has increased by thousands of pounds per year. Even for new graduates and early career applicants, the threshold just jumped significantly. And if your visa was issued before April 2024, yes, your required salary is increasing too. From the 22nd of July, any new sponsorship must follow these higher salary rules. The goal: reduce low-wage foreign hires and push employers toward high-skill workers. Change to care worker visa closed for overseas applicants. This is a shocker. The care worker visa route is now completely closed to people outside the UK. Why? Because of widespread abuse, fake jobs, underpayment, exploitation. Already in the UK, you're safe. You can still apply, switch, or extend. But from outside, this door is now shut. This hits thousands of hopeful migrants from India, Nigeria, the Philippines, and more. Change 3 to 180 jobs removed from skilled list. More than 180 job roles have been removed from the skilled occupation list. They're simply gone. Why? Because the skill bar has been raised. Before, jobs at A level, that's high school level, were okay. Now, you need a full bachelor's degree level role. If you already hold a visa or COS in these roles, before the 22nd of July, you can still extend or switch. But if you're planning to apply after that, you're out of luck unless your job matches the new degree level criteria. Change for new temporary shortage list introduced. The old immigration salary list is being replaced. Now we've got a temporary shortage list, and it's going to be strictly controlled. Only jobs critical to the economy will qualify. Think healthcare, infrastructure, essential services. But here's the twist. If your industry wants to keep hiring from abroad, they must prove they're training workers inside the UK. If they don't, they lose access to international talent. Change 5 rules for workers on the shortage list. So let's say your job is on the shortage list. Here's what's changing for you. No bringing dependents. If your job doesn't meet the skill level, no salary or visa fee discounts for employers. And these shortage roles are only valid until end of 2026. The Migration Advisory Committee will review these roles constantly. If they find misuse or underpayment, they'll cut them off. What's not changing yet? Now here's what's staying the same. For now, indefinite leave to remain ill work is still available after 5 years. No change yet to 10 years. Graduate visa remains 24 months. Not reduced to 18 months as rumored. This could change later in 2025. But for now, no update. What's coming later in 2025? The statement of changes hints at more updates by end of 2025. 1. New family immigration policy. Might affect dependents and spouses. 2. Higher immigration skills charge. Costlier to sponsor you. 3. Stricter English language rules, especially for work and family visas. 4. Border and asylum reforms. Major changes coming to entry rules. These changes could hit suddenly, so stay prepared. Questions. Let's talk. Confused? Nervous? Not sure how this affects you? You're not alone. That's why I'm doing a live Q&A with UK immigration lawyer Emil from MAC 25 Immigration. Drop your questions in the comments. We'll answer everything live. From care visas to student routes, to job strategies, the UK isn't shutting its doors. But it is becoming more selective. If you're skilled, strategic, and well-informed, your dreams are still within reach. Like this video if it gave you clarity. Drop your questions or opinions in the comments. Subscribe to Mine Overseas for timely updates that matter. Until next time, stay smart, stay prepared, and keep chasing your global dreams. Mine Overseas, signing off from the UK.